All right, let's see what we have in here. When I built the Terminator back in the 80s, and I put in those three 24-inch subs, I knew that eventually, more than likely, it'd be impossible to find replacement parts. So I bought 3 Recone kits, and I'm just now opening this box. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't been in this box. I'm just going through storage, looking for parts I'm going to need when I redo the Terminator. And so let's see what we have. It's like Christmas. And there it is. Oh my gosh. I'm sure that this foam is no longer viable. What do we have in here? We have some spiders. And are there 3? Yeah, 3 cones. And let's see. Oh man, they may be stuck together. Oh, there we go. These cones are made out of, it looks like some kind of high density foam. And I see tinsel leads on here, but there's obviously no voice coil. You can see that there's this support to attach the voice coil to the cone. Now, if I remember right, these subs only handled 400 watts, which isn't a big deal because I'm driving them with Power 1000s, and when you bridge those Power 1000s, they only deliver about, it's a 4-channel amp, so you only get about 500 watts into a 4-ohm load. But these may even be 8-ohm coils, so that means that I'd be even getting less power. My guess is somewhere in here, I mean, this is wrapped up in, this may be voice coils, and in fact it is, because I see the tinsel leads right here. So the voice coils are in here. What I was thinking about doing is removing the subs from the Terminator and sending the subs over to one of you guys that does Recones all the time. Maybe we even replace the voice coil with something a little more modern. But back in this time frame, a lot of these subs used edge wound, square or rectangular wire on the coil, and that made the voice coils more efficient. So and I know for a fact that that the voice coils of this day and age are much heavier, so maybe we'll just use the same thing. I won't know till I get the Terminator back and see what the condition is of the subwoofers in there, but it's nice to know at a minimum I have this treasure from the past. I've been carrying this around for 35 years. And I can't believe that it's all in good condition. So, thanks for watching.